Another important question from the series of questions in the trigonometry. Sin A plus cosecant A plus cos A, sin A plus cosecant whole square, cos A plus secant whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That is what we have to prove. So this is in the form of A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square. That is what we are going to do. A plus B whole square is nothing but A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square is sin square A square plus B square in the sense cosecant square A square plus B square plus 2 sin A cosecant A, 2 sin A cosecant A square plus B square plus 2AB. This expansion is completed. Same way we have to expand this, cos square plus secant square A plus cos A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A, 2 cos A secant A. Now after solving, after completion of every step, we have to check where and what did we reach. Right here, sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. No matter if it is written one after other or in the entire equation, anywhere it is written 1, sin square plus cos square, instead of these two we can write as 1. Now focus on 2AB term, 2AB here, 2AB here, 2 sin into cosecant, 2 sin into cosecant. Sin and cosecant are reciprocal of one another. Sin can be written as 1 by cosecant or cosecant can be written as 1 by sin. This cosecant I can write as 1 by sin. Same way 2 cos, secant I can write as 1 by cos. So that cos and cos will get cancelled, I will get 2. Here sin and sin will get cancelled, I will get 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. We want 7, we will get 5. We will see how can we find remaining 2 terms. So here cosecant, this cosecant square, this secant square I am not changing as of now. Keep it as it is. Cosecant square as it is. Cosecant square A plus 2 sin A into cosecant can be written as 1 by sin A plus cos square. Cos square we have already completed, no. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So cos square is not there. Secant square I will write as it is. Secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant can be written as 1 by cos A. Clear? This cos A will get cancelled. Sin A will get cancelled. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 here, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Total 5 we got. 5 plus cosecant square plus secant square. 5 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. We want 7, we got 5. We want tan, we got secant. We want cot, we got cosecant. Now I have to change cosecant in terms of cot, secant in terms of tan. Do we have any identity? Yes, cosecant can be written as 1 plus cot square. If I write cosecant 1 plus cot square, I will get 1 and cot square because I want cot will get, but along with that it will also give me 1. 5 plus 1, 6 it will become. Now secant I can write as 1 plus tan. So secant square can be written as 1 plus tan. 6 plus 1 it will become 7. Secant we got tan also. Clear? So these two identities will use here. So it is 5 plus cosecant can be written as 1 plus cot. Cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta plus secant can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta or cot square theta plus tan square theta, either way. Plus cot square theta, hence proved. Very important sum. Another important question we have right in front of us. So it is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. We have to prove that to secant theta plus tan theta. So in this question it is quite tricky. You have to use the identity instead of 1. In the minus is there in the numerator and 1 is there. Instead of that 1 you have to write a secant square theta minus tan square theta. One value from the identity we have to put and secant square theta minus tan square theta. Why are we not taking sin and cos and cosecant and cot? Because the other values are in terms of tan and secant. That's why we are using this identity alone, not the other identities. Right. So this tan theta plus secant theta as it is. Tan theta plus secant theta as it is, and minus is there For minus, we are writing secant square theta minus tan square theta. Put a bracket. Two terms are there, no? That's why put a bracket. Secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. What did we do? Same thing we have written here. Instead of this one, I am writing the identity, that identity. Why only that identity? Why not these identities? It is because the other terms in the question are in terms of tan and secant. That's why I am using this identity. Right, this identity secant square minus tan square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, secant plus tan into secant minus tan. So this is as it is, tan theta plus secant theta as it is, minus bracket open, two terms, secant plus tan, secant theta minus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Clear? By tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So now this is one term. This is one term here. This is the first term. This is the second term. In both the terms, what is common? Secant plus tan. Secant plus tan and secant plus tan can be taken as common. It is like this. See, for example, I have x plus y minus of bracket open x plus y into x minus y. If it is like this, so I can take x plus y as common from both the terms. If I take x plus y common, I'll have 1 over here. X plus y 1 minus x plus y is gone. I have x minus y. I'll multiply minus x minus y. So I'll multiply x minus inside. So it will become 1 minus x plus y. Clear? Understood? Suppose one more. Another example here it is a plus b minus a plus b into a minus b. What is common? A plus b. If I take a plus b as common, I'll have 1 minus a minus b. Next step, I'll have to multiply minus inside. So the same way here, tan plus secant or secant plus tan, both mean same. I'm taking secant plus tan as common. Secant theta plus tan theta or tan theta plus secant theta as common. Now 1 minus bracket open secant theta minus tan theta. Clear? Divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Next I'll multiply minus inside. It will become secant theta plus tan theta bracket open 1 minus secant theta, 1 minus secant theta plus minus into minus plus tan theta. Now look at the numerator and denominator. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. These two terms can be cancelled because 1 is in plus. Here 1 is also plus. Secant minus, tan plus, tan minus. Plus. Both the terms can be cancelled. Clear? Understood how did we cancel, or should I take an example or explain? Clear, right? What is there? Secant plus tan is remained. That is what is asked. Secant theta plus tan theta. Hence proof. Right. This question can also be the one we solved. Tan plus secant minus 1 by tan minus secant plus 1. Till here we proved. Secant plus tan theta we proved. Also in some cases this question, the left hand side will be same. Right hand side will be 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. He will ask us to prove till 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Continuation from here. Secant theta plus tan theta we already got. Secant can be written as 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. LCM is cos theta. LCM if I take cos theta, in the numerator we have 1 plus sin theta. Proved? Same question. Till here same to same step. We just have to do additional 2 steps. And in some cases he will ask us to prove till cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. How do we do that? Continuation of this. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by cos theta. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by cos theta. Right. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta into cos theta by cos theta. multiplying both numerator and denominator by cos theta. Same sum there till if he asks us to prove till this point, stop here. If he asks us to prove till this point, stop here. If he asks us to prove till this point, continuation, see here. Now 1 plus sin theta is as it is, 1 plus sin theta as it is into cos theta divided by cos into cos, cos square theta, cos into cos, cos square theta. Cos can be written as 1 minus sin square. Cos can be written as 1 minus sin square. Why am I converting into 1 minus sin square? Because I should get sin in the denominator. That's why cos is converted into sin. So this is in the numerator 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. 1 square should be given to then 1. It will become 1 plus sin into 1 minus sin. Here in the numerator 1 plus sin theta as it is into cos theta as it is. In the denominator 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta cancelled. We have cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Till this point also it will prove. It will ask us to prove. So here if it is given till secant plus tan, you have to stop it here only. If he has asked us to prove till 1 plus sin by cos, you have to stop it till here. If he asks us to prove till cos by 1 minus sin, cos theta by 1 minus sin, from this point you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by cos. That you have to remember. Right. Another question here, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. In the previous question, all the questions it was said the proof that we know what to prove. So that's why we changed our solution based on what is required. Here he did not ask us to prove anything. That means answer either it will be 0 or 1 or anything as such. So it is not, we do not know what is required. So just keep the basic steps in mind. What did I tell? First one, we have to convert all the trigonometric ratios to sine and cos. Tan can be written as sine by cos. Secant can be written as 1 by cos. So this 1 is as it is, plus sine is nothing but tan is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta plus secant 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. Cot means cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant. Cosecant means 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Right. Whole denominator LCM will take if we will get cos theta. LCM is cos theta here. Numerator 1 we should multiply by cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Because cos theta is the LCM, cos theta is already there in sin, it is there in 1. So this sin and this 1 will not be multiplied with any number. This one, there is no LCM term. That's why for this one we have to multiply by cos theta. So it is cos theta plus sin theta as it is plus 1 as it is. Here also same. Sin theta LCM. Sin theta is LCM. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So if we keenly look into this problem, here you have cos plus sin, sin plus cos. Both mean same only. Cos plus sin till here, cos plus sin. Here sin plus cos. Both same only. Here plus 1, here minus 1. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A is cos theta plus sin theta or sin theta plus cos theta. This combined sin plus cos is A. 1 is B. Right? A square minus B square. A square is sin theta plus cos theta whole square. A square minus B square means 1 square. Clear? At this point identification becomes quite difficult. So you have to check. See, at this point we do not have any squares to use identity. We do not have any conversion. If it is tan we can convert. We already converted. Every step is over. So now if we look both the numerators, one of the term is plus, one of the term is minus. From there we have to segregate. Before plus cos plus sin. Before minus sin plus cos. Both is same. Here 1, here 1. In first case it is plus, in the second case it is minus. So A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Denominator cos theta into sin theta, sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. Right. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. Do not confuse. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square is different. Sin square plus cos square is different. Do not write 1 over here. This is sin square theta. A square plus B square means cos square theta. A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 square is 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. sin theta cos theta. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Instead of sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Right. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We have 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta cancelled. We have only 2. 2 is the answer. Yes. So if prove that in the prove that questions we do not have what to prove, either it will be a single digit number like this answer. Remember that. Copy it down. Right. Another set of important question for this will not be asked in 6 marks. However, it might ask in 4 marks, right? Or also in case of bit. So here secant theta plus tan theta value is p. Secant theta plus tan theta is p. We have to calculate secant theta minus tan theta. Secant plus tan he has given. We have to find secant minus tan. So for this we'll start from the identity. Go for identity directly. We know that VKT in the sense we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So what is the value of secant plus tan? P. Instead of secant theta plus tan theta, I can write P. P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. P is in multiplication. If I send here, it will become division. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. If secant plus tan is P, secant minus tan is 1 by P. Same goes for this question. Cosecant plus cot is P. Yes, cosecant plus cot is P. We have to find cosecant minus cot. Solution will start from the identity again. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Use that identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So it is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Cosecant plus cot into cosecant minus cot. Cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. What is the value of cosecant plus cot? P. Instead of that, I will write P here, and cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. P is in multiplication. If I send here, it will become division. Cosecant minus cot is equal to 1 by P. So basically in the bits also it will ask, and this logic you must be wondering, for this identity we have used. For this identity same question is framed. Why not for the first one? Because in the first identity here there is plus. We have the formula for a square minus b square, not for a square plus b square. That's why same logic cannot be applied for the first identity. However, second and third identity, similar kind of problems you might expect in 4 marks as well as in bits as well. Clear? These are some important questions, and apart from this there are other questions in the textbook, like these questions from optional exercises and other books. Other questions are also there. Keep solving more and more problems so that you will get a better idea about what to do and how to do, what is the logic behind the questions. So till then, have a nice day, take care, we'll meet in the other video.